We are going to create a new share folder on the main drive to receive scans from a Konica Bizhub Printer Scanner. This applies to both Windows 10 and 11. Type C:// into the search box on the Windows taskbar. Click Run command, which will open a window showing the content of the root hard drive. Right-click and select New, Folder, and name this folder Scans. Right-click the Scans folder and select Properties, the Sharing tab. Now click Share, click the Select and look for Scanner and press Add. Next, give read and write permissions, click Share, and then when you're finished, click Done. Next, click Advanced Sharing. Ensure Share this file is ticked, then click Permissions. Add, type in Scanner, the user we just created, and then OK, and then check the permissions so the scanner is allowed all. Click Apply, OK, OK again, then press Close to exit Properties.